Example 2 on percentages. The question reads, in a mathematics test, Ernest scored 12 correct answers out of 16. What is her percentage mark? Solution. The first step in solving a problem is understanding that problem. That Ernest scored 12 correct answers out of 16. What is her percentage mark? That is, if she scores 12 and fails 4, what is her percentage mark? What that means is that we are to express 12, which she got correctly, as a percentage of 16. So what we are going to do is to, first of all, express her total mark in terms of a fraction of what she ought to get. So we can refer to her score as marks obtained by Ene is said to be 12, while the total possible marks she can obtain, we can call it as obtainable marks, because she can score more than 16. So obtainable marks is said to be 16. So we getting the fraction of her total marks is said to be 12 divided by 16, meaning she got 12 correct out of 16. And we are asked to express it as a percentage. I have already explained to you how to express fractions as percentages. All you need to do now is to multiply it by 100. So when you multiply 12 over 16 by 100, it converts it into percentage. So this is said to be equal to 12 times 100 divided by 16. You can then look for a factor that can divide a number at the numerator as well as in the denominator. I know that 4 can divide 12 3 times, as well as 4 can divide 16 4 times. 4 can equally divide itself and 125 times. So therefore, this is said to be equal to 3 times 25, and 3 times 25 is equal to 75%. So what that means is that for Ene to score 12 correct answers out of 16, it therefore means that she has a percentage of 75%. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so, also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand, while you are recommended to share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take more exercises on percentages.